Hi food lovers, let me show you one of the things you can do with your overripe plantain. So guys, let's make plantain moi moi. If you're a moi moi lover, if you're a plantain lover, this combination is just so amazing. It is so delicious. You need to have a taste of this, but unfortunately you can't have a taste, and if you can't have a taste, you can actually make one for yourself. So let me show you how I make this super delicious recipe. Let's get right into this video. I started by boiling the fish I'll be putting inside this recipe, which is a mackerel fish. I season it with salt and some seasoning cube. I put water and allow it to boil. So while that is boiling, I took my overripe plantain. I make sure I wash it thoroughly because it's already like almost getting spoiled, so I need to make sure I washed it thoroughly. Then I took my blender jug, I peeled the plantain, I just like cut them into the blender jug just the way you're seeing it. I cut them in small pieces just like this because my blender is not very strong. If you're using a very strong blender, you can just throw it in at once, then you are good to go. Then after that, I put my onions, I added my scotch bonnet, that is atarodo, and here we have our beans flour from Luli Food. This beans flour tasted so real. There's no different from it and a raw beans. You're actually using a raw bean, so this beans flour is so real. I added my beans flour, then I proceed to checking on the fish, and the fish is already done. So right here I'm just going to let it cool down a little, then I pour the fish water in the blender. So it's the fish water we'll be using as the water to blend this whole thing inside this blender jug. So I proceeded to taking it under my blender and I blend everything together. Please, little amount of water is fine. You can be adding water little by little if you feel that it is too thick, but at first little amount of water is fine. You can see I am adding little water to it and it is ready. It is done here. You can see the consistency, not too thick and not too watery. Okay, so that is fine like that. I poured it in a bowl and I mix it all together. Look at the way it is looking, guys. This thing is already sweet. I just had to taste it and know the consistency of seasoning I'll be putting in it, so it will not be too sweet. So after I tasted it, I feel like, oh, this thing just needs very little seasonings and I am good to go. So you can see I added just one seasoning cube and just pinch of salt. Then I added my spice. Yeah, this is my stew and jollof spice. I added my spice in it. I mix it all together and allow it gets all incorporated, as you can see in this video. When you're making moi moi, you just have to keep stir everything. Then I have already boiled my egg. Yeah, I boiled my egg. I didn't later shoot when I was boiling, so I peeled my egg because I'll be putting egg in it as well. Then this is my mackerel fish. I deboned it. I removed all the bone, then I cut it into smaller pieces, then I poured it inside this moi moi butter. Then this is my egg. I'll be slicing it into two. Yeah, because egg is now expensive, I cannot put a whole egg in one pouch of moi moi. No, so I'll be using bleached palm oil. This bleached palm oil would take the taste of your food from 0 to 100 to 1 million. Yeah, I don't want to use red palm oil, like normal palm oil, and at the same time I don't want to use granite oil. So I just had to, I was not like, what can I use? Then it just came to my mind, baby girl, you know how your bleached palm oil tastes now? Try using bleached palm. And guys, it was, the taste is just giving everything. You really don't know how to put it. Just make sure you try this, using this bleached palm oil in making your moi moi next time. Even though if it's not this particular recipe, just try in putting it in your moi moi next time and you will come back to thank me later. So then I started to pour it in my moi moi pouch. I put my egg inside and I just keep pouring it till there is no more butter in the bowl. If you made it to this point in this video, that means you're actually enjoying my video. Don't just watch, do where to click on the subscribe button if this is your first time of seeing my video, and also make sure you like this video, be it first time or not, and also share to somebody you want to try this recipe with. Okay, while I was pouring the butter in the moi moi pouch, I already put my water on fire and I allow it to boil a little to warm up. Then I just arranged my moi moi pouch in the bowl, then I covered it. So we want that steam, yeah, not like like we are actually cooking the nylon. We just need that steam for the moi moi to cook. And guys, this thing tasted heavenly. I mean heavenly. The taste is something you cannot imagine if you do not taste it. Look at how it came out. So nice, so delicious. Everybody kept wanting more. They cannot just get enough of this. They were like, what is this in particular? Is this moi moi or is this plantain? You cannot even tell what it is. And I'm just glad I made this recipe. And guys, if you like this recipe, if you like this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Like I said earlier, your subscription means a lot to me. It gives me that morale to keep going, to keep making more content. And also, don't forget to like this video, share to loved ones, to your families, your sister, to your mom, share to people that you would like them to try this recipe. And also, let me know in the comment section, do you think you will like this recipe? Do you think it's something you can eat? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.